Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. So this is Unité 3, leçon L, okay? And in this lesson, well, we'll continue and we'll finish with the numbers. So in the previous lessons, we saw the numbers from 50 to 75. And if you remember carefully, it was a bit tricky from 70 to 75, okay? So now what we'll do, we'll go to till 100 and then we'll see all the tricky and irregular forms, okay? So if you remember when we stopped, it was here, okay? So 75 in French, we'll have to use this 60, so 60, okay? And then after that, you will have to put this 15. Okay, so remember, from 70 to 79, it will work the same way. So you will have to put this 60 and then the numbers from 10 to 19 after. 19, yes. Okay, so in that case, it's 75, 75, okay, 60, and then 15, okay? Next one, 76, okay, so 60 and 16, okay, 76, all right? 77, 78, 78, 78, 79, 79, and then 80. Okay, so for 80, it's 80, 80, all right? 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89. And now for 90, well, basically it would be the same thing as we had for 70. So you will take this 80, 80, and then you will add the numbers from 10 to 19 after. So 90, and then 91, so 91. So remember, 80, 80, and then 11, 11. 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, and the last one, 100. Remember, final T not pronounced. 100. Okay? That's it for this lesson. Well, I hope you're not traumatized by the numbers. Check for the next lesson, and it's on youtube.com/imagier, or then the website is here if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye-bye.